Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to the Winter Wonderland YouTube Hop, hosted by Deb Adams from Creative Life and Kim Mary from Salty Beach Scrapper. I am so excited. This is my first project for 2021. We have an amazing lineup of designers who will share their winter-themed projects with you. They also have fun giveaways. In order to participate in the giveaway, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. or international resident. International residents will receive a $25 PayPal credit in lieu of a physical product. You must watch each of the videos featured in this YouTube Hop, leave a comment, and you also must be a visible subscriber. For more details on how to make your channel public, please see the description box below. I will include a link to Michelle Randolph, that Shabby Chic chick. She has a brief tutorial that walks you through step by step on how to change your settings. For today's project, I've created my take on a winter owl. I created this using a digital file by Dreaming Tree, also known as 3dsvg.com, and I used a variety of papers. The first paper that I used is by DCWV. It's called Blue Noel, and although the primary colors are blue and white, they also have quite a number of gold and silver glittered paper, as well as various shades of gray. This project is quite sizable. It measures 12 inches from the top to the bottom, and the width is 8.5 inches. I had so much fun decorating this, and I love the detail that this digital file provided. On the top, we have a lantern holder, and I've created this in a gold glitter. The base of the owl is created in a shimmery dove gray paper. On the top for the face, I have it outlined with these rhinestone beads. It's double layered here. We have a white mat in the back and more of this dove gray color. I have these golden glimmer beads outlining the eyes on either side. The eyes are cut out in more of this beautiful gold glitter paper. And for the eyes, I really wanted to give it some depth. So I have this fun tiger print gem for the eyes. On the bottom of the eyes, I've used some really fun pattern details. So we have a dark gray paper with a golden glitter plaid. On the front, you see all of the wonderful details, and inside I have an LED candle. On the bottom, I have more rhinestones and gold glitter paper. On the side, this is my favorite part. You can see these wonderful, luscious layers of paper. I've had so much fun experimenting with a variety of different textured papers, and as you can see, it all goes quite nicely. On the top, we have this gray with this glitter plaid. I have more of these golden glitter beads. Beneath it, we have a white and gold geometric pattern, and then I have these large crystal gemstones. We have more of this golden glitter, and then I've repeated the pattern all throughout. As you can see, I have curled each of the wings so it has a more realistic appearance. On the back, we have more of this dove gray shimmer paper. I just love this. I think it's a really nice neutral color. And we have more of the rhinestone on the bottom and the golden glitter. This is the other side. Let me give you a closer look. I'm going to lift this up. Here is more of this beautiful detail. As you can see on the top of the eyes, we have this paper that's cut out, so it has even more texture. Here's a close-up of these beautiful eyes. They look so lifelike, and I have vellum behind it and its beak. And again, here is more of this gray with golden glitter plaid. And these little pieces here are just left over from the pieces that I cut out. And I put them on foam dots to give it even more dimension. And here is a close-up of these lovely wings. Each of the layers are pop dot with 3D zots. I love these gemstones here. And this is the back. Now I'm going to dim the light so you can see how this looks when it's illuminated. This is a lantern, and you can see how lovely this looks. This would be a beautiful centerpiece. You could put it on a coffee table or on a fireplace mantle. It looks beautiful from the front, the side, and also the back. This concludes my review of my Winter Wonderland owl. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see how I made this owl, please watch my next video where I walk you through step by step on the overall construction. Don't forget to visit the other designers in this Winter Wonderland YouTube Hop, as they have some wonderful projects to share with you. Also, don't forget to join us next Saturday, January 9th, for the second installment of the Winter Wonderland YouTube Hop. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Happy New Year and happy crafting.